What is up, YouTube? My name is Alex Benega, and in today's videos, we are going to be reviewing the top 3 products on Product Hunt, which we do daily if you're new to this channel, and basically give my opinion on the design, the website, give the website a rating, and then overall, how's the product. So let's dive into this. It looks like, so today is Martin Luther King Day, so it's a holiday. Let's see what Product Hunt brings us. So what is it? Lemlist 2.0, send emails and get replies. I'm a little confused because this is not what you do with Gmail. But let's check it out. Okay, so let's try to see what they're trying to say here. So send emails that get replies. Lemlist is a new B2B company, is the new way to business companies acquire customers. Start your free trial. Happy prospect, finally an email written for me. Okay, so I don't know if they like write your emails for you or what the hell is going on. The website is pretty, I'm going to give it that, but I'm still trying to wrap my head around what the hell this website is. So how B2B companies use Lemlist to grow, 20% increase, but we believe in personalization if you want to stand out from all the sales emails out there. Okay, so they personalize your sales emails is what it looks like. I don't know if they have like a content writer or a copywriter who does that, but that's what it looks like from here. Now to the design of the website. So I do like the logo. The logo is a little bit busy, but it's very unique and creative, right? With the Lemlist and the actual words going on different lines, the cool color scheme, like these little shapes around the logo, make it really stand out as well. I do like some of the things like here, like this colored drop shadow in the back for this button is nice. This blue background adds it covers up a lot of the white space that's up here, so I like that a lot. One thing that's a little throwing me off is over here you have these like whole circles, right? And then here you have these like circles with a stroke. And so I don't know if like it's a mix, but I would have liked to see just like either stick with the stroke outline here or the solid. Having those combined just makes it seem like there wasn't a clear direction. The actual design of the iconography looks really clean, really nice, although for this number 2, it looks like this circle is like made with CSS, so this is an oval around this 2, while this is a perfect circle. I don't know if that's like that actually is probably a developer mess up, but that just looks awkward. It doesn't throw me off though. It's not gonna like make me not want to use this product. Another thing here is, you see how big this button is up here? Like, it makes you want to like click it. It looks like really nice. It looks bold. Here, this is so small. So I would have loved to see like a lot more padding on the left and right side of this button just to make it stand out more. It is a little busy right here, right? Like, I don't know why it feels a little busy for here for some reason. I don't know if there's just not a good transition layout wise from section to section, but it feels busy right here. And then this is like an awkward footer because you have like this pink that makes it feel like this is almost like the call to action area. And then you have this like, I don't know, like this little ad area that is blue, which obviously that's her colors, but it does throw me off just a little bit. So overall, I think it's still a great site. I give this like a 7 out of 10 as far as visual appeal. I do not understand 100% what these guys do. As far as like, oh, actually here's a good example. So choose a template. So they have templates, I guess, that you can send to your customers to try to acquire them via email. Still not sold on the concept. I don't know if I would see myself using this. Maybe if I had like a big business that was like run on successful email marketing and I wanted to test these guys out to see what this can do increase wise, I would be curious to see. But just a web designer who gets his clients usually from word of mouth, or sometimes if I reach out to a cold email, I wouldn't be using this. But the website's not bad, the design's not bad, and this is a good start to the day. So Lemlist 2.0, I like it. Alright, so Studio 2.0. What's up with all these 2.0s? I don't know why there's a lot of 2.0s out today. So design to live website in one click. That doesn't even make sense. Design to live website in one click. I hope I'm reading this wrong. Design. Oh, okay. So basically, design to live. It should just be like design to live site in one click. Like this throws me off. This little tagline. Let's click it and check it out. There were so many products coming out in 2018 and 2019 where it's like one click, your whole website will be done. Let's check it out. All right, so web design redesigned for designers frustrated with prototyping and coding. So that's a very appealing tagline. Let's see what they do. Okay, the next gen. We are the next gen web design tool. Okay, unleash your creativity. So I guess you design your product, you design your website inside of this application, and it looks like it can spit out some of the code, which is, that's awesome in itself. I'm just curious to see how good it actually works, right? That's like the magic question. The overall website, not bad. It kind of reminds me of Envision. I don't know. Envision has like a bunch of like different products, and maybe this is one of their products, but it does feel like Envision a lot. I would be happy to try this out just to see like what this is about. Obviously, if I wanted to spend more time on this, I can just check out the video right there. But there is going to be a product in the future, hopefully in the near future, where it's like Sketch and then you can export it and it gets built right away, right? For the designer who wants to build something simple and just wants to have a landing page up, it doesn't have to be perfect, but the code, the HTML is eligible and the CSS is readable, right? I don't know if this is it, right? I don't even know enough about this. I don't know this product. From the UI side of things, it looks pretty easy to understand. I see a lot of tools missing though, like where's the gradient color? There's a lot of tools, like if they're trying to replay Sketch with this, there's a lot of tools on the sidebar and on the top nav that are missing that would allow me to like really design something. Like I don't even see a pen tool anywhere here, so I don't know if like that's allowed for their product, but we'll see. So I'll keep an eye out. As far as the design, it reminds me a lot of Envision. I'd give these guys another 7 out of 10, right? It's not ugly. They do some neat page transitions right here, right? Going from this like super white, bold in your face, they transition to a dark background. Pretty easy to just get around and understand what's going on. I do like the boldness of the typography here. They're definitely not shying away from their graphics either, right? They're very big and bold, which I like. I would have maybe wanted to see like a shadow or something on this like laptop. But overall, this is not bad, guys. This is a 7 out of 10. I do like there's a lot of good here. It's not amazing, right? It's not like beautiful. My eyes aren't watering. I'm not like inspired to go copy their design, right? So that is Studio 2.0. And for the last one, Frrames Mockups. Free vector window mockups for your presentation. Okay, so how many times, if you're a designer, have you like put your web app or a website in a browser graphic so it looks like it's actually on the computer? I think that's what this is, but they're templates, right? So there's gonna be different versions. Okay, so your perfect design in perfect mockup format. So okay, so they're basically selling you a bunch of browsers, and it looks like they are giving you access to Adobe XD, Photoshop, Figma, and Sketch. And this is cool. Like there's times where I have to do this a lot, and they're not only offering like browser mockups like for Google or Safari or anything like that. They're also offering like iOS, which is really cool because I don't think I've seen that before. But yeah, this is all. I mean, this is pretty cool for $9. I mean, I definitely would I would download this. I mean, if I was in need for it, instead of spending like 20 minutes trying to design something perfect for like this browser, Safari Lite or Chrome or Opera or something like that, $9, like $9 is like, that's like 2 coffees. You know what I mean? So I think I would definitely use this. The website's actually clean as well. I talk about this all the time, that the simpler you can make it, the easier it is to understand, the more likely your users are going to do what you want them to do, right? They don't have this huge big thing. They're showing you every single thing in the library that you're going to get for $9. They have a nice call to action. They have this dark UI behind it, which is cool. They're giving you little snippets of a preview of what each one looks like. Let's see if we click into it. It actually shows you the whole thing, which is nice. You can download it. They have some ad area. They show you what it's compatible with on every screen. And I like it. And I love these little these subtle animations when you scroll down. That makes it look really clean as well. So I don't know, this is really cool. I could see myself downloading this. I would check it out if I were you guys, and you guys didn't want to, you know, waste time just designing browsers or something like that. This is really nice. So as far as the website, a designer definitely did this. I'd give this website like a 8 out of 10, right? I just love the colors. The colors are consistent, right? The backgrounds that they're using for the different desktops and varieties are all consistent and unique. And these icons are on point with the colors here. I mean, this is an 8 out of 10. I really like these illustrations here. The scroll down effects are nice as well. So Frrames Mockups, I like a lot. So I'd give that an 8 out of 10. So that's what we're gonna leave you guys with today. If you guys want me to review a product, you can email me and I will review it. But I definitely like Frrames. I check it out, Studio 2.0. We'll see what they do. I'm not convinced that they solved that problem yet, but we'll see. And then Lemlist, there was a lot going on. There was definitely a lot going on, but for the most part, I would try it out. I don't know if I'd pay for it right away, but I'd try it out definitely if my business was mainly on getting clients via email. So that's what I have for you guys today. And until next time, YouTube, I'm out.